This is another video for you guys on web tracking here. We've got the same thing that we have in Google, we have also now in Yahoo. So here I am at www.yahoo.com, and I'm going to type in a search so you guys can see what actually happens. You can see all this bull crap on the front. Not even alphabetized. It's a bad implementation of crap. Style, health, parenting. You know health is not going to be about health. Just the same typical dumbed down garbage for the general public that they normally give. Big advertisement at the top, your typical celebrity bullshit in the middle. Okay, so let's type refusal to work, and just to get a web search here. Now take a look down at the bottom of the window at the status bar. That's all the way at the very bottom. You'll see where it says ars.search.yahoo.com. Now that means that the URL that you're going to go through is that. So when you click on this link here, it's going to take you to whatever you see down in the status bar there. And if I right click on there, you can see what's going on. So instead of going to Wikipedia, what's actually going to happen is it's going to go to this right here. And I got this for you guys who don't know. If you control in Mac, push control and then click on it, it'll bring up the status bar. And this thing right here is an HTML tag. It's the A element, and the href is the place where it's going to when you click on it. And where it's going to is r.search.yahoo.com /_YLT equals, and then it's got a whole bunch of gobbledygook on here. Okay, this is not a good URL. This is the en.wikipedia.org /wiki /refusal_of_work is a good URL. I mean, you've got some other stuff in there like the wiki, and you've got the capitals and the underscores. But other than that, it's a fairly memorable URL, especially when you compare it to, you know, this A0508 lowercase. You know, I mean, this is just not even a good URL. The reason that Yahoo is doing this is that they want to track everything that you do. They want to compete with Google. And this is why the people who are actually working, which they should not be, they should be quitting their jobs in refusal, are causing harm to the world. A lot of these high-tech workers, you know, who are getting paid, you know, maybe they have an IQ of around 120, they think they're smart, they're getting paid maybe 110 to 170K per year to devise strategies that are designed to assist the technocracy. And this is one of them. They're abusing redirects here. They're redirecting every site that you go through Yahoo instead of taking you directly to the site itself. That's an inconvenience for you as the user because it slows everything down. It's also an inconvenience because if you right click on here now and you copy this link, now you try to send this link to your friend, look what you got. You didn't get the link to Wikipedia. No. You got a link to r.search.yahoo.com /_YLT equals. Okay, is that going to be good in 10 years from now? Probably not. Is this Wikipedia link going to be good in 10 years from now? There's a good chance that it may very well be good in 10 years from now. And if it isn't good, what Wikipedia will probably do is they'll probably provide you with an alternate. Say, we couldn't find refusal to work, but here's some things that you may try instead. And then if you're on Wikipedia, then you can always search. You say, I searched for refusal to work, I clicked on this link. Whereas with this link, if your buddy says, hey, check this out, and you get a URL that looks like this gobbledygook, and you don't know even what you're searching for until you go there. But if it didn't work, say our search Yahoo didn't work, then you're not even going to get there in the first place. And so years from now, when Yahoo redesigns their very short-sighted ADD scheme, and that's attention deficit disorder. They don't see things in the larger picture, and then they don't want you to see. They don't want their developers, their engineers to see things. They want engineers who have an IQ of around 120, who are smart enough to figure out engineering strategies from a technical perspective, but also who are going to be misled by the amount of money that they're given, which is usually around 100 to 200K. so that they feel like that they're smart and that they're doing a good job. They're not. Okay, these engineers are fucking everything up for the rest of us. Okay, what are they doing? They're serving Yahoo. What is Yahoo doing? Yahoo is just trying to serve their own interests so that they can track you, and then they'll share that information with whatever business partners or government entities, public-private partnerships that they feel is going to be beneficial to Yahoo as a business, as it's traded on the stock market, as there are pressures from investors, from shareholder meetings, and from the government, from laws that may get passed. But bottom line comes down to is when you see this link in the status bar down here at the bottom of this window here, and it's not the URL that you see displayed here, that means that they're tracking you and that they're making your life harder in order to do so. They're inconveniencing you to take advantage of you so that they can find out what you're searching for and then sell that information or use that information for their own nefarious and malevolent purposes. So this message is for two people. It's for one group of people who have no idea about what's going on, who are just clicking on links, and it's also for the engineers. For the jackasses who are getting paid, you know, between 100 and 200, you're not fucking smart, guys. Okay, you're getting 100 to 200K a year to devise schemes that are fucking things up for the rest of the world, and it's an abuse of the technology. That's not what redirects were intended for. You're writing bad URLs. And stop it. You need to stop it. Stop doing this. I don't care how much you're getting. It's wrong. You need to get a sense of morality and to get a sense of what's right and what's wrong. And this is wrong. And there's a lot of more things that you don't understand about what's going on with the web and what these big corporate entities are doing. Don't play dumb, because you know there's things that they're doing that you're not supposed to know about. And if you're not supposed to know about them and you're implementing strategies to help them out, what are you really doing? It's mindless. Stop it. Thanks for watching, guys.